welcome back to my channel. I am Vandita Manohar, and if this is the first time you're watching me, then consider hitting the subscribe button and the tiny bell icon next to it, because you will be notified every time I upload a new video. And by the background, I have all my suitcases packed and all ready to go. Actually, I'm still checking the weight, and the food I just ate now is like extremely spicy, so yeah, that's that. Anyways, this is the new hair color that I got, if y'all did not notice in my previous vlog, but I actually absolutely love this. I do not know when I'm going to get a chance to color my hair next, because it's shit expensive in US and I don't want to spend that sort of money, because I do not have that sort of money. And what else? How do I feel? We've had a very emotional time yesterday, day before. When it hit me, it actually got to me, but now that I'm getting there, I'm mentally prepared to go, because I know that this is going to be the course of my dream. I always wanted to do something like this, and I am doing something like this, and I think everyone should be able to go and be fearless about it and just go happily, because that's more important. What's the point of crying? I mean, see, don't quote me on this. I might say this now, but I might end up crying, but in the long run, I know that this is going to be very beneficial for me. So staying away from family is a tiny sacrifice until I finish my course, and I'm just hoping for good results and outcomes after all of this, and hoping to come back home sooner than you think. Actually, I just want to come back home as soon as possible. You know, no matter where you go in life, this is your place, and nothing in the world can change the comfort that you get in your own place. So I'm just definitely wanting to come back here anytime I get the chance to. Yeah, so that's been a very long intro. I usually don't talk this much, I guess, I hope. Everything is fine. Managing weight is actually getting very hard, because I genuinely don't know what to take out, where to put what, and I'm just so confused. I'm just relying on the digital weighing machine that I got, hoping that it's going to be accurate, because this suitcase is 22 point something, this is 22 point something, and the red one there is again 22 point something. So I'm just hoping it all adds up. And meet my mommy. She's also sad. We're all sad, but I mean, it's okay. It's gonna be worth it, I guess. No, mama? That's my mom. That's anything happens, my mom needs to eat. And yeah, I just picked up this Naturals ice cream. This is my absolute favorite thing. I do not know if you're gonna get it. I don't think you get it there, but I'm gonna eat tender coconut. This is my absolutely favorite flavor, and there's nothing in the world that can replace this specific ice cream for me. So yeah, welcome to this vlog, you guys. It's gonna be a fun, entertaining, emotional. I'm expecting all my friends here, although they're saying they're not coming. I think they would. I'm not sure, because it's very sketchy. Like, they're telling me something, Sahib something. So, and yeah, that's that. I will meet you guys in a bit. I'm sorry, this vlog is gonna be very like patchy and not like completely fine done and all of that, because I mean, understand, I'm going through a lot, okay? And I like what my t-shirt says. My sister gave this to me. My sister gifted this to me. It says, design a new future. I think this is a very apt outfit to wear to the airport. I'm wearing these old toned jeans that I usually have. It's way too toned right now, and I need to change it. So I'm not taking this. I'm actually going to change my outfit into something else and wear like tons and tons of jackets, because your girl right here gets really cold, even if it's like really hot. So I mean, I need to sleep with a blanket, like the thick blanket, even in summer. So that's who I am. And I've spoken for 3 minutes. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit when I'm doing something else. Bye bye. Alright, you guys, I'm just going to meet my neighbors now, because I've legit like grown up in this place. So I have a real strong connection with all my neighbors. They've seen me grow, and I really want to meet them, say goodbye, and then leave. So I'm not going to record that, but after that I need to go to the hospital and collect my x-ray, which I got done for TB. So I need to do that right now, and also I need to take a shot of MMR. So let's go.
Last minute checkings. Yeah, how do you zoom in this?
That top is on top.
Why does zoom so slowly, and why is it going? Hi Shriram, what's up?
What's up, bro?
Stupid BT, come first.
Today he's been in his spa. Bye, Zed. Kevin. One last time until I meet you all again.
I can't tell social distancing.
She came and told him to put a mask on, so he's like the rest of the people. Mama! Mama!
What do you mean deal with this? Your neighbor.
Exactly, why do I have to deal with this every now? Nihal, boy. Guess who's in and checked in and on our way to New York. Honestly, has been our dream since forever. From the time we met, just wanted to go to New York. And here we are in the airport waiting for our Doha flight. I don't know if you can hear me, but it was a very long emotional goodbye. All my friends, everything. I don't think I vlogged that much. I actually didn't even take off my camera as much, but here it is. It's a new phase of life, a new chapter. Wish me best of luck, and I just hope I keep making a lot of these videos and you guys get entertained every now and then. And now I'm in duty free, I have to look around, so I'll just catch up in a bit. Okay, so we've just checked in, I told you, and now there's a huge problem. So I had to buy this watch from customs, I mean duty free, and I didn't have the cash. I have UPI and I forgot my cash and card at home. I don't know why I did that. I just left everything at home. I was just left with UPI, so yeah. And as usual, I went up to Starbucks and picked up my favorite drink, which I'm making Nivedita try. Oh, and she's flying with us too. She's going to Texas, we are going to New Jersey. It's going to be fun, exciting, a new chapter of our lives. And she has a YouTube channel as well, which I will link down in the description.
Thank you for the
shout out. Shout out. Make sure you
1 second.
post more, I don't know. And you guys know Sahib. You're going to see a lot of him now. And yeah, that's it. I'm pretty sleepy, tired, exhausted. I haven't slept since 2 nights. The only thing I'm concerned about is my weight. The only thing I was actually concerned about is, oh no, my suitcase is 24, oh no, my suitcase is 30, oh no.
You didn't know that my allowance was 46 and my whole weight came up to 45.9 kgs. That was like
that
a life
happened
thing.
to him as well. 68.9.
Dude, it was so, like, it was so close.
I didn't even see the weight of my bags.
How did you manage with 2 bags?
Got another half an hour to go, and this is where we're at. Just went to Relay, picked up a neck pillow, and yeah, a book. We didn't have a very good flight experience. It was
It was very crampy and no leg space.
I expected better, bro. I paid so much.
I know, right?
No, this flight's gonna be better.
I really hope this flight's gonna be better.
So the next flight is gonna be 15 hours for me since I'm going to Atlanta, and she's gonna have a 14-hour flight. So let's just see what happens, guys.
And I really want to use the washroom here because I think this is the last I'm going to get water.
And the food was horrible. Let me just get that.
Yeah,
if you're taking the Hindu meal, don't take it.
I got the veg food, bro.
Dude, it was pongal, dude.
And that pongal.
I lost my shit.
Hey, you know, I ate half of it. I thought it was paneer.
Yeah, after half, Sahib is like, hey, is this paneer? I'm
Like,
like,
they gave pongal and masala. No, so I just asked the air hostess, give me chicken. She gave me sausages and all. I'm like, okay, cool.
I was too sleepy. I was too sleepy to make a choice. So I was like, no, it's not
No,
happening.
the guy next to me, my friend got that. No, I was like smart and I got the body.
Okay. Alright, guys, I will check in here and
So we'll meet you guys when we'll be sitting for our next flight. See you.
USA. I did not vlog yesterday much. I was very exhausted, and this camera is very bad when it has to pick up light. But I am now in USA and I'm in my house. This is my house in New Jersey. I'm super excited because firstly, I never thought this would happen. Secondly, I'm so overwhelmed, and it's okay, you can be in the frame. So I have Sahib there with me for like a couple of days because until my roommates come in, and he also got into New Jersey. Like he got into Rutgers in New Jersey, which is like some 40 minutes away from my place, so it's good. Anyways, it's the next morning. The last night was pretty hard. We are not jet lagged as of now. I think we are doing very fine. We woke up pretty early actually. We wouldn't wake up at 7 in the morning in India, but we woke up pretty early. I washed my hair yesterday, so this is what it is. But for the most of it, I'm not going to give you all a home tour anytime soon because I want to set this place up before I could show you all, or maybe an empty apartment tour when I clean this place up. Like my entire suitcase and everything is opened and just left here. I don't want to show that on camera, but stay excited, wait for it. This was my travel from India to USA. I do miss my family, my friends and everything, but life is this. Like this is what life is. I have to go along with it and get everything done. So I'm just hoping for good results and yeah, prosperity over here. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. If you haven't, like I'm gonna start a new vlog from now, but if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit the subscribe button and the tiny bell icon next to it so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Also, I've got my new SIM card, my number's updated, just that I do not have Wi-Fi yet. I'm just waiting for my roommates to come in because I want their opinions on what to take, what not to take. I don't want to take all my decisions on my own. So yeah, that's that. Once they come in, the Wi-Fi will be done. Once the Wi-Fi is set, I shall start uploading videos pretty regularly. Today is going to be a very hectic day, so I'm going to be vlogging this. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video. Subscribe to my channel, like this video if you like it, drop down a beautiful comment, I will definitely reply. Follow me on my Instagram and you'll see a lot of this place, a lot of amazing stuff about this place. Firstly because it's near Manhattan, and yeah, bye bye.
Macarena, Macarena, Macarena. Put the chopper on the nigga, turn him to a sprinter.